Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick little makeup toot. I'm just going to be showing you guys my really easy go-to kind of glam face but without liner. That's something that I've been toying around with lately. You guys know I love my winged liner. I feel like that's just kind of what you guys know me for. I do winged liner on almost like every look, but here in 2018 I've been switching it up, trying a few little things new. I've been trying to be a little more adventurous with my makeup, and that means leaving off the liner now. Am I gonna always leave off the liner? Absolutely not. I love my liner. But sometimes I feel like these just kind of cool toned glam looks look so good without a wing, just with some lashes or even your regular lashes, but just kind of keeping it simple. So if this is the first time you're on my channel and you guys are new here, what's up and welcome. My name is Kate. I would love for you guys to join my little YouTube family and click the subscribe button down below. It'll be on one of these sides. Y'all know where it is. Also, make sure to click the bell so you don't miss out on any post notifications. It is so important in this day and age on YouTube to click the bell, so make sure you do that. And that's all I wanted to say here in the beginning of this video. So if you guys want to see my go-to kind of like cool toned glam look with no liner, then just keep watching. For my foundation, I'm going to be starting out with the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in the color Punjab, and I'm using this little It Cosmetics brush to blend that out. I'm just dotting this onto my face and not trying to flip you guys off, but apparently I like to apply a lot of stuff with my middle finger. I never realize these things until I'm filming, and then I just see how much I use my middle finger. Anyone else? When I do less on my eyes, and when I say less, I mean less for me, not less for everybody. Let's just get that out of the way. I'm a makeup girl and I like to wear a lot of makeup, so this is less for me. I like to use a full coverage foundation to get my canvas, if you will. Just super even and flawless looking. This is not like Estee Lauder Double Wear coverage, but it is a very full coverage foundation. So then I'm going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Custard. I realized that this was still too dark for me in my winter complexion, so I decided to add a little light Shape Tape on top of that just to brighten it up. And then with that same brush, I am just patting that out and stippling that into the skin. Now it's time to lock it all down. I'm using my Too Faced Ethereal. I don't know that one. You guys can correct me in the comments. I'm using that powder to set my under eyes and on top of my eyes and like my whole face. I've really been loving this powder lately. It's got a great texture to it. It just sets everything down and locks it in all day. Then I'm going to move on to my brows, and I'm doing a little YouTube magic. Okay, that was really cheesy. On to bronzer. I'm using the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer to warm up my pasty little facey, and I'm just using a powder brush and just kind of putting that anywhere that I would normally bronze, pretending that the sun is out and hitting my skin. For blush, I'm using my Benefit Galifornia blush. This is a really pretty kind of slightly shimmery coral blush. It's got just a little sheen to it, and it just kind of brings some life to the skin. I've been loving this blush lately. Then on to eyeshadow, I'm using the Snap Queen Trio from Smashbox Cosmetics. These are their brand new trios. I have been loving these shadows. This mauve color that I'm using right now is just everything. It is so beautiful. I love using this. I have been so into cooler tones lately, and this one is just like my cool tone dream shade. So I'm applying this right here into the crease. The thing I love most about this particular color is you can apply it really light on the first go around, and then you can build the color up really nicely. So as you can see here, I'm using the same exact color on the same brush, just applying a little bit more and building that out in the outer corner, and this just looks so stunning. I just love it. This would be a really beautiful Valentine's Day look, by the way. I might even wear this for Valentine's Day. Now realistically, I could have just used one trio, but I really liked this one. This is the Medium Nudie Pick Trio, and I'm just using that darker brown shade right there to just kind of add a little bit more depth. It really makes a beautiful transition and just adds a little bit something, a little zhuzh to the crease, if you know what I mean. Using a little pencil brush, I'm going to also pick up that same brown color and run that along my lower lash line. Then we're going into this one. I didn't realize we used 3, but we did. We are using #goals. First, we're going to use the bronzy copper color, and we're going to just apply that right kind of to the middle, but also kind of off to the back side, if that makes sense. Just kind of blending those colors in. And then we are going to go in with the lighter shade in that palette, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner and just kind of the inner third of the eye. Onto mascara, I'm using a new one. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. That's what the wand looks like. This was actually my first time using it. I just thought, why not? It looked fun, it looked nice, and it actually made my lashes look pretty bomb. I'm not complaining. It wasn't like an instant favorite, but I really, really like it. I will definitely keep it in my rotation. It gave me tons and tons of volume. It didn't do like miraculous things for length, but as far as volume goes, girl, this is a good volumizing mascara. So at this point I was debating doing lashes or not. I couldn't decide, but this is what it looks like without. I moved on to the lips, and I'm using the Skimpy lip liner from ColourPop, which I so badly need to sharpen. Look at that little nub right there. The fact that I got my lips lined with this is just miraculous to me. Anyway, moving on to the lip color. This is an old one from Makeup Forever. This was like the Iconopop and Makeup Forever collab, and I forget the name. It will be in the description box down below, like everything else though. It just complemented the eye look so beautifully. I decided I wanted a little gloss, so I popped on the Curvy Gloss from ColourPop and the collaboration they did with I Love Sada E. It was perfect. This lip was just everything with this eye. I did decide to pop on some lashes, Ardell Demi Wispies to the rescue. And then I moved right along to TheHighLite, which is a new one I got in my BoxyCharm this month from Pure Cosmetics. Set that down with a little Morphe setting spray, and this was the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.